Back in the shop, but hopefully not for long, because we're gonna go drift Hallet. Versus finally got poor Petey back together after we stole all of its parts for the LFX cars, but that wasn't working out. So back to LS3 power.
Finally got a drive shaft that fits.
Ooh, fresh drive shaft. We've got an all-iron 8.8 in this thing now.
An iron 8.8 with 410 gears and
should be pretty spicy.
Some Auburn.
Oh yeah, the Auburn
Thingy.
I need to get the Lincoln locker out. Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Well.
And we got the fun lever.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah. So. Oh, top down? What?
Look at that.
God damn. This thing is set up. Yeah, there we go. All right. So.
Fun lever and.
Ooh, nice.
You got the armrest.
Armrest. So that's going to be fun. We'll do, yep. Be a whole different animal with a hydraulic handbrake. 500 horsepower, all through tiny little 15-inch tires.
Got the carrier yet?
What then? There's no. That's. It's a drift car. It's pretty smooth. You can't see it on camera. I don't think it counts.
We still have to align this thing.
Well, yeah. Yeah, let's get it aligned. All right, get this thing up on the pad. Just push the S2000 off. It's here for some stuff and things. Oh, we've got just endless LFX kind of strewn about. There's more.
I got declared jihad on LFX.
Yeah, we've bought all of the LFXs in the country, I think, now. What do we have? 5 LFXs here? Another one over there. Another one over there. Another one.
That one's barbecue.
That one's barbecued, yeah. There's a couple outside. All right, I guess we'll make some space so we can get that car out of here. How's Petey?
He's good. You gotta go drive it.
Perfect.
I can hear them laughing from here.
What?
In that car.
Yeah, I know.
They're laughing so loud I can hear them from here.
Alright, so things didn't go well on my first run. I'll show you the damage, but I think it's going to be okay. It's just a little rough around the edges now. Fortunately, kind of missing some of that corner, and the oil cooler is pretzeled. But she's still holding oil. Little duct tape. Fortunately, the front of that car wasn't that great to begin with, because I already hit it into a wall here at Hallet last year, so not that much worse. But I got to get this car to drift right. So we go out, do some testing, see if we can figure it out. Alright, just got back, took some riders. I actually followed Chris without hitting him or losing him. I'm starting to enjoy drifting the BMW, I think, for the first time. I don't know why, but I think it's just seat time.
Yeah.
And Chris has had, your follows aren't there yet.
No.
But you don't have as much time as I do. But your leads, your bear runs are like,
Yeah, it's
solid.
great. Yeah.
Like following is easy because when you're in front, you're like smooth and locked in.
Right, you're doing your thing instead
Yeah.
of trying to do
Yeah.
their thing.
Yeah, trying to follow someone else's pace with a completely different car. Not that easy.
Yeah.
Trying to find
And
some
also,
space.
this thing has a much different entry speed than this thing. Grip just kind of leaves you in the corner.
Yeah, I have twice the grip and half the power.
Yeah.
So it's a little different.
You gotta have the high entry speeds and then just really chuck it in.
Yeah, and I don't lift because I don't have the
This
power.
thing has no grip, so if you chuck it in there, you might be off the weeds.
Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, rock solid. You got any tires left? Is that another
I
set?
got one run left on these tires.
Yep.
I got one on the inside, maybe two.
No. Two if you don't manji.
Yeah. And then you brought the 10-inch wheels, I saw.
What? For
The
you?
10-inch wheels, yeah.
Oh, do I have some?
Yeah, you brought those 10s.
Oh, well.
And one of them's broken.
What? Really?
Well, the one where the guy in the Mustang hit me, I think.
Oh, that one's fine.
I know.
It's a good drift wheel.
That's a perfect drift wheel.
It's a perfect drift wheel.
We'll go from 7s to 10.
Those will have some grip. You'll pitch it off like I did first run with those. You go to turn in, it'll just stick. You just go straight sailing off the course.
No, see, because I have 500 horsepower.
That's true.
Clutch kick it.
Yeah.
There we go.
We lost Ben. Ben went out probably as soon as we came in.
Yeah, I think, yep, there he is.
Yeah. It's probably like, oh, they left me here. He's all out by himself without a tandem partner. By the time we get out there, he won't have any tires
I don't
left.
have any tires left.
Well, I'm going to go back out.
Yeah.
All right, that's pretty fun. Definitely out there, really getting used to stuff, having a blast. Try to not tear it up too much. Josh just got here. Look at that. Finally got his car put back together. Your weird hybrid pro car bodywork / old beater.
And now it's just all beater.
All beater.
It's all.
We got Wes here.
This is a pro hybrid.
Pro
Car.
Yeah.
Driven by an idiot, so it's nothing.
Well, that's what they call it pro-am for a reason.
Pro
car.
I go strong on the am side.
Leaning on the amateur, yeah.
Yeah. Still got some tires.
BQ? That's interesting. I don't think I've seen
How much power does this thing have?
7-ish?
7-ish.
I have no idea exactly.
With 7-ish, it turns a set of tires into clouds in what, 2 laps?
2-ish.
2-ish.
2-ish laps, yeah.
3.
1 1/4 if you really stay in it. Which makes the last couple turns interesting.
So yeah, let's see, about 2 laps. Josh making about 4. Chris at 500 horsepower makes it about 6. And I make it like 10.
The Miata has 500 horsepower?
Yep.
Oh, no way.
Okay, well, all right, hang on. It's quote unquote 500 because it's still just an LS3 with exhaust and cams and intake.
Okay.
So it's
like 500-ish.
It's a 500-ish.
500-ish, yeah. Ish is the word of this pit.
Yeah. 700-ish.
700-ish, 500-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The BMW makes a solid 340 wheel.
Hell yeah, brother. Solid 340.
Yep. Every bit of it. Alright, getting late, about 6 o'clock. Definitely been out here all day, but got one more set of tires, and got Josh going to get the track turned around the other way, so we're going to give it one more go in the other direction. We're going to be out of here. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.